Hello everyone, welcome to Prunku's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Prunku and today I'm going to show you how to properly ream the inside of a bowl using a reamer. Now, there are mainly three types of reamers. One reamer that I have is called a senior pipe reamer, and it looks like this, and I will show you how it works. But sometimes one reamer won't do the job. So let's say this one is too big or too small. Sometimes you need other types of reamers, and that is why I have another set which usually does the job, and it's formed with these pieces. There is a third type of reamer. I think it's called the butterfly reamer, which is a one-piece reamer that you can use and modify its dimensions. But anyway, let's say you have a pipe that accumulated a lot of cake, like in this case. Well, it's not a lot of cake, but I don't know if you can see, there is a little hole in the cake, and I don't want that. I want my cake to be a very, how should I say, equal. And talking about cake, if you want cake, you don't need to have too much, because having too much cake in your pipe can lead to cracks in the bowl, or if it's too little cake, it can cause let's say burnings and stuff like that. So a little cake is okay. Now that is of course a personal preference, but yeah, for those who let their pipes gather some cake to protect the walls of the briar, don't let it get too big. Now, I won't talk too much. I will just get to the action directly, and I will show you how to properly ream pipe with a reamer. I will take this one for example, and as you can see, it doesn't fit perfectly. So what I do is I'm trying to make this smaller until it fits right down into the bowl. Even if it doesn't fit perfectly, it's good because it's going to take the first layer from here to here of cake, and then it will be able to go further. Now, the important thing about reaming is that you keep your reamer as straight as possible. Okay, so let me see at the camera. So if you're reaming, you are reaming in a straight position, not like this, not like that, in a straight position, as straight as you can. and you either rotate your reamer or your bowl, and you start doing like so. Let me do it with the right hand. Okay. And here's some cake. Like I said, it's going to take just a part of the cake. Now it will be easier to introduce it even further, but I showed you how to use this reamer. The same idea is with this type. So you have four, how should I say, heads, uh, four different sizes, and you just need to check which one is a good match. So okay, this one is too big. I think the next size is a bit too small. No, no. Okay, so this fits right in, and you do the same. Now, it's important that you hear this. If it starts squeaking or if it starts to get difficult, it means that you are too close to the briar, and you don't want to ream the briar. So this would be, let me see if I can put some, this is just enough. If I were to ream more, I would risk going too deep and starting to ream the briar, which I really don't want to. Damaging the briar is not a good idea. But that's pretty simple. You just put your reamer, okay, and you try to get the right size for the bowl. So if this is too small, you get a bigger head of reaming, or you can open this one up like so, okay, and it's opening up, getting larger. This was an easy way to ream, but when you get let's say an estate pipe which has a lot of cake, you will start with a smaller size reamer, and you gradually take out the cake, and then after that you can use a larger side of the reamer, or make it larger. So you don't want to start, first of all it won't fit, but you don't want to be too aggressive with it. But anyway, that was a very short video in which I talked probably too much and showed too little, but theory is important so that you can know what to do in certain situations. I hope this was useful to you, and until next time, take care and happy puffing. Yeah, just getting back, I wanted to go a bit deeper, and now I think is a good ream. This is what I got out of it.